This song is heartily dedicated for you. And of course, to my darling Imran. Okay. Ito ay kinanta ng iyong anak na si Matu. May tuliling. Sana pag narinig mo ang kanta namin, maaliw ka, maging masaya ka. At huwag kang malulungkot, okay? Okay. Play the song. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ears words that are all unsigned. The world only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. To the days I moved when you looked in my eyes. Just like now I know it's clear the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change a life forever. And I promise that we'll always be together. Till the end of time. So today I finally find the courage deep inside, just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word he handed me this letter. Real, I hope this find a way to your heart. And he said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change a life forever. And I promise that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, maybe I need a little care. Well, maybe I need a little care. Please say you love me too. Since we were. Thank you. Till the end of time. Thank you. Together forever. Uy, napiyawin ko naman yung ano. Bili. Napiyawin naman namin.